Creating a standout logo is a great way for landscape companies to raise their profile and increase their business prospects. I'm Nona Blackman for Envato Tuts Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own fabulous landscape company logo in no time at all using the logo maker from Placeit. A logo is essentially a symbol that identifies and promotes a business. Logos usually take the form of an abstract or illustrative symbol and or text using specific colors. Most companies that use an abstract or illustrative symbol tend to combine their chosen symbol with text that makes their logo much easier to remember. Here are 5 qualities your logo should have. Your logo should be simple. A simple logo is easy to recognize and remember. Your logo should be memorable. A memorable logo captures your target audience's attention and leaves a positive and lasting impression. Your logo should be relevant. A relevant logo reflects the image and ideas you want your company to convey. Your logo should be versatile. A versatile logo keeps its quality whether you scale it up or down, use it in print or on the web. Your logo should be timeless. A timeless logo still looks fresh and relevant 10 or 50 years from the day it was created. Now that you have a clear idea of the qualities your landscaping logo design should have, let's look at how you can use the Placeit logo maker to create your very own logo. Go to placeit.net, select Logos and Landscaping. Type your company name in the top bar and hit Apply. This will add your company name to all available landscape logo designs. Take a look at each design and choose the one that most appeals to you. When you find a logo template you like, click on it to open the template in the logo maker. You can customize your logo by starting with the left or the right controls. Let's start on the right. First, select your graphic. You can choose a graphic from those offered, or if you have a specific image in mind, you can type a term in the search bar to find the perfect image. I'm going to choose this graphic. Now it's time to choose your color scheme. Start by choosing a background color for your logo. You can opt for a transparent background, which will allow you to place your logo in all types of backgrounds easily, or you can opt for a solid color. Next, choose your main and accent colors. Now move to the controls on the left and refine your text. You can change the text, the font style, and the font color. If you don't need this additional text, you can get rid of it by turning off the eye here. You can resize and move around all the elements in your design, and if you don't like what you've done, you can hit this Reset Layout button to revert to your default layout. Once you've completed your customizations and are satisfied with your design, hit the Download button at the top of the screen. This will take you to the download page where you have 2 options for purchasing your logo. You can either pay a fee for your logo or sign up for a monthly or yearly subscription that offers you unlimited downloads of all Placeit's designs, mockups, logos, videos, and gaming templates. Here's the logo design I created with the Placeit logo maker. I used the Placeit mockup generator to test how the design would look in real-life scenarios. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't you think it's a good idea to give it a thumbs up? I do. And if you want to see other amazing videos from Envato Tuts Plus, give the subscribe button a click. I'm Nona Blackman, and I'll see you next time.